Well, if you're wanting the best Labor Day prices for appliances, Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom has unbeatable savings on hundreds of appliances and mattresses. Now joining me in this sponsored segment is store manager Melissa. Melissa, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Of course. Now we're sitting on a nice bed here, so we gotta talk mattresses. Tell me about the purple mattresses that you guys have.
So this purple mattress is the Restore Firm, which is really awesome. The more firm the mattress is, the more you're going to sleep on top of it. So this is an excellent example of a firm. It starts at $13.99 for a queen, $15.99 for a king. And then this bed next to it is the Restore Plus Firm. It's a little softer. You're going to sink in a little bit more on that mattress, and it's $15.99 for a queen, $18.99 for a king.
And you know, speaking of sinking in, this right here plays a part in that.
It does. So the cool thing about the purple grid, which is in every single purple bed, is you can see through it, so air flows through very, very well. So you're not going to sleep hot, you're going to sleep cool.
And besides mattresses, you guys have lots of appliances as well. So what can people enjoy with appliances?
So we have any appliance that you can think of for the kitchen or for laundry. One of the cool ways that we get our appliances is a special buy. So for example, when a manufacturer has an inventory overstock in their warehouse, they need to make more room for more new appliances. We buy them by the thousands in bulk, and then we sell them at a huge discount. So we have some appliances here that are special buys.
Of course, so let's start with the fridge here.
Okay, so this one is actually uncrated. So that means that at some point something happened to the box. The manufacturer can't ship it out with a dent in it. So we unbox it ourselves, make sure it's perfect, and then we sell it as is. So this one is $7.99 with a 1-year warranty, which is insane for a 30-inch French door.
I love it. I mean, great looking fridge. And then we move over here. Tell me about this oven we have as well.
This is a Frigidaire Gallery slide-in true convection oven. It's going to have the heated fan on the inside as well as it being a slide-in, so all the buttons are in the front, which is really nice. And it's Frigidaire Gallery, which is one step above Frigidaire, so they put a lot of extra stuff into it.
And then we're making our way down the line, and then we've got a dryer and washer over here.
Yes, so the washer and dryer is the biggest deal we have. For $10.49, you get the washer and the dryer, which is insane. I want to say it's like $1,700 everywhere else, and we have it for $10.49 if you mention the word Labor Day.
That's a great deal. And so I want to talk about other ways that customers can save, because that's what's something you guys are really big into.
Yes, so we do the pricing same for inbox like all the big box stores. We get all the same products, all the same prices. We're a little different in that we do the special buys and the uncrated merchandise. So we have a lot of different features and different options for you.
Perfect. Well, viewers at home, you can find all that information on your screen for Appliance Factory. Make sure to take advantage of their great Labor Day prices going on right now. Melissa, it's so great to see you. Thanks for being here.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Of course, and this segment was sponsored by Appliance Factory.